Fans of the hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters have been following the journeys of Tammy and Amy Slayton with deep emotional investment ever since the show first aired on TLC. Over the years, viewers have seen the sisters battle their health struggles, deal with family drama, and experience shocking transformations. While weight loss has been at the core of the show, the story has expanded beyond pounds on a scale to explore personal growth, confidence, and even cosmetic changes that reflect the sisters' new lives. One of the biggest surprises for fans recently has been Tammy Slayton's dramatic dental transformation following her massive weight loss. With a new smile sparking conversations online, the curiosity around what procedures she went through has never been higher. Tammy's teeth have long been a point of discussion among viewers, with many pointing out dental issues she faced during the early seasons of the show. Her visible dental struggles included missing teeth, discoloration, and what fans described as an overall lack of confidence whenever she smiled. These problems weren't just cosmetic. Like many who suffer from obesity, Tammy's oral health was likely impacted by years of poor nutrition, smoking habits, and medical complications. After losing over 400 pounds and reaching milestones many once thought impossible, Tammy has become increasingly focused on self-improvement and regaining confidence. Fixing her teeth became a natural next step in her transformation. For fans who have watched her journey from struggling to breathe with oxygen tubes to walking independently and enjoying life again, seeing her smile brightly for the first time has been powerful. But what exactly did Tammy go through to get this new smile? According to dental experts familiar with the type of issues Tammy appeared to have, several possible procedures could have been part of her transformation. While Tammy herself hasn't confirmed every detail publicly, cosmetic dentistry and restorative dental procedures are often the go-to solutions in cases like hers. Many fans suspect that Tammy opted for dental implants. Implants are among the most advanced solutions for missing teeth and can restore both functionality and appearance. They involve surgically placing titanium posts into the jawbone to act as tooth roots, followed by attaching natural-looking crowns. Given Tammy's history of missing and damaged teeth, implants would make sense as part of her post-weight loss makeover. However, implants aren't the only option. Dental veneers, which are thin shells made of porcelain or composite resin, are also widely used for smile transformations. They can cover up discoloration, uneven teeth, and gaps, creating a flawless look. If Tammy retained some of her natural teeth that were structurally sound, veneers could have been used to give her that radiant smile seen in recent photos. Another likely step in Tammy's dental journey could have included extractions of any remaining unhealthy teeth followed by dentures or implant-supported dentures. This procedure is common in cases where patients face severe oral health decline. Fans have speculated about dentures because of the sudden dramatic improvement in her smile. Beyond cosmetic reasons, dental work after weight loss is also crucial for overall health. Obesity and poor nutrition can cause gum disease, tooth decay, and oral infections. Once a patient undergoes bariatric surgery and massive weight loss, their body begins to heal, but oral health problems often remain. Many doctors recommend patients like Tammy undergo full dental checkups and corrective procedures to improve both appearance and long-term well-being. Tammy's decision to get her teeth fixed wasn't just about looking better for the cameras. It symbolized her desire to finally live a full life after years of struggle. When she first joined the show, Tammy's health issues were life-threatening. Doctors were doubtful she would make it through her 30s without drastic changes. Fans watched her battle with oxygen dependency, repeated hospitalizations, and even time in a rehab facility where she worked tirelessly to get control of her health. Her successful weight loss surgery shocked critics and inspired millions. But it also opened the door for Tammy to make changes that went beyond survival. Getting dental work became part of that evolution. Social media reactions to Tammy's new smile have been overwhelmingly positive. Fans have flooded her TikTok and Instagram posts with praise, calling her unrecognizable and radiant. Some have even said the smile makeover was just as impactful as her weight loss, because it showed confidence that fans had never seen before. Others pointed out how Tammy seems more open, cheerful, and proud of her progress when she's no longer hiding her teeth. Cosmetic experts have noted that smile transformations are among the most life-changing procedures a person can undergo after weight loss. For Tammy, the teeth makeover likely represented closure from her old life and the beginning of a new chapter where she could step out in public without feeling judged. The emotional value of this change cannot be understated. Family members, including Amy, have also commented on how happy they are to see Tammy embrace these positive transformations. For years, Amy tried to encourage Tammy to take care of herself, but Tammy often resisted. Now, with Tammy leading by example, the sisters seem closer than ever. The glow-up has also fueled speculation about Tammy's future. Some fans believe that with her confidence soaring, she may explore dating again after previous heartbreaks. Others think she could expand her social media influence or even launch her own lifestyle or health brand. One thing is clear, Tammy's new teeth have become a symbol of her resilience. Dental professionals have explained that such a transformation is not easy. The process can take months, especially if implants were involved. It requires healing time, multiple visits, and a financial investment that can run into tens of thousands of dollars. Given Tammy's public platform, some speculate TLC may have contributed to the costs as part of documenting her show. Nay, others suggest Tammy may have partnered with a dentist for promotional purposes. Either way, the end result has fans captivated. The journey also highlights an important issue: how oral health is often overlooked in discussions about weight loss and obesity. Poor oral health can affect nutrition, self-esteem, and overall health, creating a vicious cycle that keeps people stuck. Tammy's choice to address her teeth underscores the holistic approach needed when it comes to transformation. It's not just about losing weight, it's about rebuilding life in every possible way. For fans, Tammy's teeth transformation feels like the cherry on top of her inspirational story. Just a few years ago, many thought she wouldn't survive. Now, she is living proof that change is possible, and that it can be beautiful. She has gone from being one of TLC's most controversial stars to an example of perseverance. Her teeth makeover is not just cosmetic, it's symbolic of survival, victory, and hope. While Tammy hasn't confirmed exactly whether she got implants, dentures, or veneers, the impact of her dental journey is undeniable. Every photo of her new smile has sparked headlines and conversations, cementing this as one of the most significant milestones in her post-weight loss life. With a brighter smile, brighter health, and brighter future ahead, Tammy Slaton is proving that nothing is impossible when you commit to change. As 1000 LB Sisters continues to air and document the Slaton family's ups and downs, fans will likely get more insight into Tammy's procedures. For now, the world is celebrating a woman who was once fighting for her life and is now flashing a smile that reflects her newfound freedom. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.